Every Toyota Tacoma deserves instant throttle response. Let's upgrade yours with Pedal Commander. In the box, you'll find your Pedal Commander unit, mounting bracket, adhesive pad, cleaning wipe, zip ties, and installation guide. Setup takes just minutes. Unplug the factory throttle connector, snap in the Pedal Commander harness, and mount the unit where you want it. You can keep it visible or tuck it away and control everything over Bluetooth. Once installed, you'll feel the difference instantly. Pedal Commander gives you 4 modes: Eco, City, Sport, and Sport Plus, each with +4 and -4 sensitivity levels to fine-tune your response. Eco for fuel efficiency, City for smooth control, Sport for stronger acceleration, and Sport Plus for maximum power. Using Bluetooth, you can switch modes, adjust sensitivity, save presets, and even disable the unit's buttons right from your phone. And with the built-in anti-theft feature, you can disable throttle input completely for extra security. Pedal Commander transforms how your Tacoma responds, drives, and feels. Plug it in, set your mode, and enjoy instant throttle power.